Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on few of the options in the edge actions of ZModeler. Those are move auto radius, move brush radius, and move infinite radius. So I'll start with the brush radius here. So I'm going to hover the cursor on the edge and then just click and drag like that. So if you could able to see, when I'm just dragging those edges are just like moving, just like a grab tool, but it's only working on that particular edge. And the amount of influence what you're seeing is only on the brush radius here. I mean, the bigger the radius, the bigger the influence area. So while I'm just using this brush, let's say if I am, as you could see, I'm just grabbing those points and moving them. If I'm just holding shift, the edge is going to slide without affecting the topology curvature. If you hold alt, it will inflate the points outside, giving this result here. So we have brush radius to control the amount of influence, I mean the area of influence, whereas auto radius is going to affect my model. Again, I can move those points, I can slide those points, and I can inflate those points. But if you could able to see here, when I'm just moving or inflating, the more influence can be seen on the clicked side, and less influence is seen on the points which are away from the clicked point. Okay, so that is auto radius. While if you could see infinite radius, you can generally select those points, move them, and slide them, and also you can just inflate them like that. But you should able to see the amount of inflate is uniform. There is no fall off by the distance or anything like that. So the effect of this tool is infinitely working. And obviously we have the targets like edge complete, edge partial, like you could able to see edge partial, but the loop is broken there. And also we got the polygon loop. We could select that and then just click and drag like that. You could see those targets are there in all this, except the auto radius. The poly loop is not available. If you got any questions on this, let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.